Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is role of kidneys in urine formation. Urea formation. The urea is formed within the liver cells. The liver stores surplus glucose of food by converting into glycogen and other food substances, but it cannot store the proteins. Excessive amino acids break and get some energy from it. This ammonia group NH2 is removed from ammonia acids called deamination. This NH2 group is converting into ammonia NH2, which is very poisonous. It may kill the cell which is stored is high concentration, so the liver can't quickly convert H2 as NH3 into less toxic substance urea. This urea is carried by blood to kidney and excreted out the form of urine. The small amount of urea is also excreted in sweat as well. Urea formation. Excess mineral salt and nitrogenous waste products. Examples urea, creatinine, and uric acid, which are poisonous it accumulated. These are removed from body with water and the mixture is called urine. Urine formation takes place kidney. The two main processes are involved in the formation of urine within nephrons: filtration, reabsorption. Filtration is the process of taking out mineral from blood. It is of two types: ultrafiltration, selective filtration. Ultrafiltration occurs in in Mammalian body when the blood from affected arterioles enters into the glomerulus located in Brownman's capsules. Most of the blood plasma is forced out the glomerulus blood capillaries into Brownman's capsules without any selection. Process of non-selective filtration is called ultrafiltration. B. Selective filtration. Selective filtration occurs at proximal and distal convoluted tubules when blood flows into paratubular capillaries. The remaining amounts of urine filtered out from blood by active transport. It requires some energy. B. Resorption. In a normal adults about 120 centimeter 3 of filtrate is formed in the kidney of every minute. In this large amount of filtrate allowed to pass out from the body as urine, the blood will dehydrate and death may occur. To prevent this huge loss of water and useful salt, when the filtrate pass through the nephrons, useful substance and excessive water resorbed into the blood stream by a non-selective. B. Selective resorption. A. Non-selective resorption. Non-selective resorption occurs at distal and proximal convoluted tubules without any selection. B. Selective resorption. Selective resorption occurs at loop of hands and collected duct with the help of hormones, antidiuretic hormones ADH, parathyroid hormones PTH, and calcitonin. At proximal convoluted tubules, most of the mineral salt and it's a healthy person. All the glucose and amino acids are resorbed through the walls of the tubule into the surrounding blood capillaries. These solutes are resorbed via diffusion and active transport. This resorption is highly selective. Those substances required by the body are resorbed readily. Most of the water is filtrated and resorbed by osmosis. At the collecting dust, some water is absorbed. Excess water, excess salt, and metabolic waste products such as urea, uric acid, and creatinine pass out of the collecting ducts into the renal passage as a mixture called urine. At the distal convoluted tubule, some water and mineral salt are resorbed. At the loop of health, some water is absorbed. 2.15 Absorption of minerals in neuron.